I'm going to show you how to add and remove credentials that will grant you access through this lock. This update of the database in the lock is done via Wi-Fi with the CC3100 module. As credentials, we're going to use any of the TI badges, or you can use some of the credentials that are along with the lock, or we can even use one of our RFID tags that I glued to one of my business cards. To run the demo, you're going to need, of course, the lock. You're going to need a hotspot that will give you internet access. And you also need to have a mobile device that will run our app. First, I'm going to demonstrate that my badge does not grant me access to the lock. Red light, and the lever is still locked. To launch the app, choose Marlin iOS. The lock that we have available here we named CES Demo. So to add a credential or remove a credential, you got to choose Users in the menu below. So you'll see our lock, CES Demo. Click on it and choose the option Credentials. To add the credential, you choose the plus sign. You choose the lock, which is CS Demo. And now the lock is ready to read the new credential. The fact that we added the credential in this case just updated the server. We have not updated the database in the lock as yet. I can present my badge and I still don't have access to the lock. So the next step is going to be to update the database in the lock. Choose to connect to the lock. You'll see that the red LED on the lock will turn a blinking red as soon as I hit connect and the connection is established. And then to update the server, you just choose Update from Server. This will update the database in the lock. You hit OK, and you'll see the activity in the lock. During the update of the database, you'll see the green LED blinking, indicating that we are having Wi-Fi activity in the lock. As soon as this process is over, we should see some alternating of the green LED and the red LED, as you're seeing now. And when the process is finalized, we'll go back into the BLE connection where you'll see the red LED blinking periodically, just like that now. So now that my database is updated, I can present my new credential and I have access to the lock. Here we see that we have a credential already added. To remove that credential, we just slide to the left and hit delete. So that's the idea of the demonstration. You just go back and forth into adding and removing credentials and show the update of the database that is done via the CC3100. If you have any questions, make sure to let me know. Thanks.